In this video, we're gonna take you in Paris to 5 restaurants known for their best steak frites.
This is officially my favorite restaurant in Paris.
Now, the city of Paris is known for amazing food, but not all bistros can claim to have the best steak frites. From affordable to a little bit pricier, we're gonna go all over the city to find the best of the best. Allez, on y va.
Today, we're trying the steak frite at Paul Bert in La Marais. Come on.
Santé, Michel. So I've been looking forward to come to this restaurant because it's recommended by a lot of visitors. And it has some mixed reviews. Some people say it's become a little bit too touristic. Some people says, if you want the best steak frite, you gotta come here. I mean, at least one of the places in Paris. So I'm looking forward to it.
She just brought us a little pot of mustard.
No, she asked me if I wanted mustard. I'm like, I don't want mustard. I'm having steak au poivre. And she said, well, you have pate. I've never done that. It totally works. I'm gonna give you warm bread here. Fresh out of the oven. So that's bavette.
Which is kind of like a skirt steak.
It's exactly like a skirt steak. Yeah.
I think they deserved it.
I love skirt steak. It's one of my favorite cuts. It's very good. Good cut. Well cooked. Oh.
And it's swimming in rum with little bits of green apple. So nice tart apple. That should be awesome.
That looks delicious.
Yeah, and I'm gonna put a little apple, a little whipped cream.
Let me see this thing. Yeah.
The bread almost disappeared.
You have a hole in your mouth?
Mm-hmm. The bread almost disappears into the rum. So it's like so light, it's almost not there.
Sorbet framboise. It's a great dessert to have. Yeah. This is a great place for a steak frite. Great dessert, great appetizer, bistro. You're in Paris here. This is as quintessential as it is. And it's delicious. So today we are in a small bistro called La Bourse et la Vie, which is right around the corner from the Bourse, which is the all-stock market, where Palais Royal is right behind us, the Galerie Vivienne. So we're in the heart of Paris. And this has a reputation for being one of the best steak frites in Paris. So I can't wait. This is perfect. This is the little wooden table, napkins. It's very simple. It's not a huge restaurant. You absolutely need a reservation. And I can't wait to put their steak frite to the test.
À côté de ça, c'est le domaine des celliers des dames en Bourgogne, du coup.
Cheers to you.
So we got the mixture or assortment of hors d'oeuvres, which includes some high quality oysters.
Yes.
We have the oeuf mayonnaise.
Yes.
This is a leeks with vinaigrette, with Barreau vinaigrette, with hazelnut.
And what's this one?
This one is a canut de cervelle.
Cervelle de canut.
Cervelle de canut, which don't translate it, you won't like it. But this is a special kind of a flavored cheese that is a specialty from Lyon. I actually made this in a restaurant with a chef one time.
Yeah.
And some fabulous bread. So I feel like I never ate an oyster until I came to France because this is a whole different category. And I've got all the vinegar in the bottom so I can just, get a little juice there. Never had an oyster like that in the US. Never.
I'm gonna try to be delicate if I can ever achieve that.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I agree. It's surprising with a little potato. I've never had that when they put a little bit of potato. So this is leeks. So I'm not a big fan of leeks. Not. This is not
Kind of like having an onion salad.
I think my mother forced me to have leek soup, I remember, when I was a kid, so I'm traumatized. But this is really good. Surprisingly interesting. I love that. When you take it in a little plate like that of mixed appetizers, you get to taste things you wouldn't normally have. And you discover a new thing. And the last one is?
This one is the
Cervelle
de Canut. This is a crostini piece of sliced baguette with butter and roasted on top.
Yeah.
It's different because when I made it with the chef, there was a ton of garlic. This one is very citrus with olive oil, and it's very mild. You're gonna love it.
Oh. Yes. Perfect. Thank you.
Those
are
hot fries. That's tender as can be in the au poivre sauce.
Yeah, well, when I was I guess by the end I was not as good.
Yes.
I've never had steak au poivre like that.
Yeah. Look at this cut. Look at this piece of meat. As far as I'm concerned, this is the best steak au poivre. What I say in Paris, I have not eaten a steak au poivre that is that excellent. The meat is flavorful, it's excellent. The sauce au poivre is just a little tangy, not too much. It's perfect. It's a gem. It's a Parisian bistro gem. I'm enjoying this tremendously.
Yes.
Servez au thym avec de l'huile d'olive.
Oh, wow.
This is a sorbet.
Yeah. Yeah.
What a combo. This is like a lemon sorbet, and it has thyme, and it's in a bowl with olive oil.
What is this stuff on top? This.
I don't know.
Is that chocolate? It's chocolate.
Chocolate, thyme, and olive oil with a lemon sorbet. Oh my God.
That sounds
It
like
sounds crazy.
It does sound crazy.
It doesn't taste crazy.
No?
I don't know if you're going to like it, but I adore it. I saw your eyes.
Okay, this is officially my favorite restaurant in Paris. It's amazing. The appetizer, the main course, the steak au poivre, the dessert.
The imagination, the quality, the execution, everything.
So today we're going to try Le Relais d'Entrecôte. This restaurant has multiple locations in Paris. The one that we're in today is in Saint-Germain, in the heart of Paris. Colleen is busy today. She's not available, but I wanted to film and I was hungry. So Mick, my nephew, is joining me. So we're going to try the steak frite and we're going to tell you what we think about this location and this steak frite.
There's only one item on the menu, a salad and a steak frite.
Yeah, so it's really interesting because it's like, when I got here, it's like, I'm not getting a menu. And she says, how would you like your meat cooked? And I guess I'm getting meat today. But that's it, it's Relais d'Entrecôte, it's steak frite. So they're known for steak frite. You get a salad, we didn't ask for it. You get bread, salad, a little bit of wine, and that's it. So the only thing about this restaurant is they don't take reservations and you have to wait outside. So right now, everybody is seated. We're, middle of the week, we arrived at noon. So I arrived at noon sharp. And there's plenty of room, but I've heard that this restaurant, specifically the one on Champs-Élysées, you could have a 30 to 45 minute wait. So if you want to try it, you want to be there early. And the best way is noon. Yes! Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, super tender, good flavor. The sauce is decent. It's a pepper sauce, but it's not like it's not a powerful pepper. It just doesn't tear your face apart.
It looks very tender.
Yeah. You see that?
That's a very good steak. It's a very good steak. They're actually famous for their secret sauce, and they serve it like really fast. We've been literally sitting for like 15 minutes. We're served. It's warm. It's good. So if you're on the go, you want to have a nice meal without spending hours at the table, it's actually a very good option. Do you actually know how do you eat crème brûlée?
I do not know. I'm a.
Oh, you know.
No.
You must know.
Show me.
So
You have to crack it?
Yeah. You got to crack the caramel that's
that's the
made
rule?
from. Oh yeah, of course.
That's the proper way to eat it? Dude,
And
you're
then-
making stuff up.
No, I'm not.
Show me that. That looks beautiful, actually. Oh, yeah.
Because it's caramelized at the top.
Oh, yeah. Everybody knows what a creme brulee is. We just didn't know how to eat it. Foolishly, I thought you just break it with your spoon and you put it in your mouth. But apparently there is a...
There's a whole procedure for it.
This is how you eat a creme brulee. You take a spoon, you just take a piece of
You
the
gotta
creme brulee.
crack it.
That's right. And then you show it to the cameraman. Look at this. Mmm.
Nice. It's good, right?
Oh yeah, it's smooth. Very good. I like that.
Colleen and I travel a lot. In the last 3 years, we've gone back and forth between the United States and Europe over 30 times. And there are things that we don't leave the house without. Like, for example, a battery pack. I always have this in my backpack because I don't know where I'm going to find an outlet. And I always travel with my sling. If it doesn't fit my sling, I probably don't need it. So what I've done is I put a list below of all our travel essentials, the thing that we don't leave the house without. Check it out, see if there's anything in there that is a good fit for you.
Today, we're at Brasserie Lazare, and we're gonna try the steak frite at Brasserie Lazare, which should be absolutely amazing. Come on. I wanna know, what's that?
This? That's a garlic clove.
Is it really?
Yeah, no doubt. Oh yeah.
It's gonna be a lovely afternoon.
What are you implying?
Your kisses, darling. I got the steak frite, but with béarnaise sauce instead of steak au poivre. So I'm gonna try the French fries
With béarnaise.
with béarnaise.
And
Yeah.
it's simply excellent, isn't it?
I haven't had béarnaise sauce like that in a long time. Let me see. You put that one over here,
Yeah.
and oops, all the fries
French
want to.
fries explosion.
They
that's
want
what
to
it's
come
called.
out and play. So
That's right.
just a little, a little bit of that, and we'll just go ahead and put a fry on it because hey, it is steak frite. Oops. All right.
Oh, that looks delicious.
This steak for me is easily as good as Paul Bert, but the ambiance is 10 times better.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's delicious, and I feel like I'm in an elegant spot and not shoved in a table in a little space.
And I got the saucisse puree, right? Which is basically sausage that comes from a local butcher and mashed potato. I'm gonna dip that in my sauce just for good measure. And look at that.
Oh, that looks good and drippy.
I'm blown away of the simplicity of this meal. It's just so basic and it's so excellent. The chef that owns this place, Chef Eric, worked in a restaurant that was 3 Michelin stars, so the guy knows his stuff. And I love when they're taking a simple dish that you would eat in the cafeteria and c'est excellent, and brings it to a whole new level. This is just out of this freaking world.
This is the gâteau, or the cake, Paris Deauville. Oh, it's a lot softer than I thought.
Yeah?
Oh, like, it felt more like a cheesecake, but it's not going to be a cheesecake.
Let me see. All right, give it a taste. You don't like it?
I like it very much. Rum to taste like, and it never does, because the baba rum is so strong and harsh. But this is light and yummy. Whoops.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. That's good.
Oh. You can have the rest.
Are you kidding?
I'm not serious.
Oh my
That's
God.
not my favorite at all.
Oh my God.
No, it's I don't know, it's kind of mushy for me. Caramel is not my put chocolate sauce on it or Nutella and then I'm here.
It's a cake with flour and milk and stuff, but for me it's somewhere between a flan and a cheesecake and a cake, and it is divine. I love it. Today we're having dinner in Le Marais at Relais Retour because I've been wanting to come here for a long time to find out how amazing their steak frite is. It better be good. Come on.
Là, ça vaut à partager.
Oh.
I'm not sharing.
You're not sharing that?
You're right.
So I take little pinches of the salt because I know that I like it. Put a little bit of that all over the place.
And you put it on top of your bone.
Oh yeah. Oh. Well, it's so simple and so good.
I mean, look how big this bone is. That's my hand.
Yeah, but it's the bone is there. Like what I'm eating is probably around into this. You know, it's shallow, and that is what the bone marrow looks like after you eat all of the marrow out of the bone. Oh,
Of course, if some pieces aren't.
I'm mighty excited about that. So this is my plate. I don't know where your plate is, but this one is mine, and I'm all right. I share. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on here. I want to taste it, but I also want to get that saucy flavor. Are you ready?
Yeah.
But you can really taste the quality of the meat.
Yeah.
Flavored perfectly and cooked exactly the way I want it to be.
And I want to take that one.
Oh, baby.
That's a huge piece of meat.
Hi, welcome.
Can you see what I mean? You can taste the flavor, you can taste the quality.
Oh, wow. That beef is excellent. I mean, it's just so tender. I concur. This is one of the best places for steak frite in Paris. No question. It's a really nice little address in Le Marais. If you're staying here, you want to have a great steak frite, it's a good place. It's a good address. We tried 5 steak frite restaurants in Paris. Which one was your favorite?
It's tough to say because I love Paul Bert, I love Bourse, and I love the Brasserie Lazare.
Yeah.
And probably because I like Béarnaise sauce better, I'm going to go with Brasserie Lazare.
Yeah, it was pretty good. Although I didn't have a steak frite, I tried the mashed potato and the sausage and it was excellent. For me, La Bourse is now one of my new favorite restaurants in Paris. No question. The food was amazing. The steak was excellent. Small, intimate restaurant by far. For me, La Bourse is the best steak frite in Paris for 2025.
And everything else on their menu is pretty excellent too, I must say.
Yeah, so let us know which one is your favorite steak frite in Paris. Put it in the comments below. And until next time, au revoir.
In this video, we showed you the best steak frite in Paris. Next, I would watch this one with 36 of our favorite bistros and restaurants in Paris.